Ship to NYC? No, yeah, I do ship to NYC. No need to apologize. Can you show the macaw? Yes, hold on. Can you show the macaw? Yes. Thank you, thank you. She's a 3-year-old female. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Hello. All right, I'll give you a little walkthrough of everything again. So what's out today? We have a hyacinth. What's funny? What's funny? You always laughing at me. What's funny? 9-month-old female, blue and gold. This one's a 4-year-old blue and gold. This one is a 4.5-month-old Catalina, 4.5-month-old Harley. They're out, freshly weaned. 6.5 going 7-month-old blue-fronted Amazons that love to talk, except when I'm on camera. We are located, guys, in Belleville, Michigan. So these are the blue fronts that are out today. You got a 6.5 going 7-month-old double yellow. Yes, all the wings are clipped. All their wings are clipped, yes. This one's a 13-month-old double yellow. This one is a 12-month-old red crown female. Red crown female. Everything here is DNA disease tested. You do get copies of it all. We work 7 days a week to make sure you get a very healthy baby. This is a Cape Parrot going on 4 months old, 4.5 months. This guy right here is going on 5.5 months, going on 6. Male. Here's a 4-month-old, freshly weaned African gray. We've got some Sun Conures on the tree. And we got an Alexandrian over there chewing on some wood. Let me answer this call, hold on. How much is for the red front female? Call or text the store for pricing, but for that guy I'm asking $3K. And they insist that I send money right away, yep. I mean, if it's too good to be true, it's usually too good to be true. Exotic bird shop.